This is the Giro Tune-Ups by Skull Candy, and the instructions are very confusing because the cable is in the middle, so it's equidistant to either of the transducers. However, if you do the routing differently than is suggested in the manual, this is not a problem. So just insert one of them through here, I hope you can see this, into the pockets. So see how this is going under the plastic bracket. Then continue routing it through here, between the label and this little thing which you can pull up. Pull it out a little bit. Now you'll find that you have plenty of cable to go back through here, again under the plastic strap, like so, and then out through the hole that was intended for this, down here. Now you can add the second transducer. Coil it up close to it, around the finger. Put this to one side of it, say to the outer side, and then you can insert this normally. It'll be snug. And then you close the pouches and the other pouch, and see how the cable routing works in here. And at this point, you have the helmet with the audio connector coming out of one side, which is how it was intended originally. Just for reference, these were the original tune-ups that Giro had. They're a lot thicker, which means they're uncomfortable on the ear, so it's good that they made them a lot thinner. But the cable was a lot more sensible in that one was much shorter than the other, so it was very obvious how the cable routing would go. But if you just coil up one side, you can do the same with a new style. As to the cable, this connector here is rather poorly made. However, if you spray some contact spray into it, so you press it down, spray quite a lot of contact spray into it, so this is contact cleaner, and then just press it maybe 50 or 60 times or so, and you'll be able to hear sound quality getting better and it'll be less static. And at this point you should also turn the volume control a few times, because this stuff removes any oxidized copper or any oxidized metals from the surfaces that transmit the sound, thereby reducing your sound quality or not giving you sound at all. So after you've done this, at least for me, this has worked very well so far. And that's it.